I'm back with another video. This video we're gonna unboxing. Went to Walmart yesterday and I saw this 3-in-1 9 inches touchscreen portable player. It's also tablet. Oh, this guy I have here a 3-in-1 touchscreen portable DVD player tablet combo, and there's a bonus 6 feet HDMI cable included, and it's kinda surprising me, guys, because portable DVD tablet DVD combo all in one, in 3-in-1. So it's good for travel, right? While your daughters want to watch rather than my phone while travel. So I kind of interesting of this. That's why I make a short unboxing of this. And the feature of this, it's built-in DVD player. So there's a bonus of include 6 feet and 1.2 quad-core processor. It's high resolution, captivated multi-touch display, 1 GB DDR3, and so on and so forth. There's a Wi-Fi, also Bluetooth, micro USB port, and also include the F port, HDMI port, built-in speaker, microphone compatible with DVD, and DVD are rewritable, BCD, CD, or rechargeable. It's also rechargeable up to 4 hours tablet runtime, up to 2.5 hours DVD runtime. Okay, not good. And the accessories is 6 feet HDMI, and the DC power cable, power car adapter, and AC power wall adapter, USB cable, and 2 mounting straps. And it's also good for surf the internet, watch DVDs, and connect to TV via HDMI. So we'll see how it works. Let's open this one. And I have also a micro SD up to 32 gig. Open this one. Here we go. What's inside? We have here a cable, USB cable, and I think this is HDMI. And what's this? A strap. Oh well, in case it will not fall. And plug, wall plug. And I see a little here. It's for the car charger, in case it's a robot while driving. Oh, there's a protective. See, voila. Okay, and the security put bag on it. We'll see. And have here a manual, sort of manuals, so and so forth. Thanks for choosing product. Okay, and another manual. What's this for? Okay, this French. And what's this? A limited product warranty. Okay. Oh, read it later. The main thing is this one. Oh, it kinda heavy, guys, because it's built in. See, it's bulky. And what's this? It's close. This one. Oh, it's stand there. It is a stand. put it like that. Okay, and let's see how it works. What's this? Is this a strap using for, I think you put it in the headrest of your car back so that it will not fall. That's why there's a purpose of this. This is the purpose of strap. Okay, and we have here probably the button on and off, the volume, HDMI, USB port, this for headphones, and this for the TF for the card. Okay. Guys, I will use this one, a wall charger. Where's the? There you go. And we'll see later, guys. I will turn on this one. How it works. Okay. Suppose it's like that. Oh. Okay, yeah. Hello. And I have to plug in. Charge. There you go, guys. It's Android. It's charging, so there you go. That's indication English Canada. So we'll have to press this one. Oh, it's touchscreen. And welcome to your copy your data from phone. Okay, but we have to refresh start. And we'll set our password first. Okay. Oops. Tap it. There you go. I put my password on it, and it's checking for updates. Into travel, right? And I will set my Google first. Hello, guys. I'm back, and we'll try to play. There's a features just like an Android, just like my Acer. So we'll try YouTube. And we'll try. Oh. And guys, my channel. Just in case you're new to my channel, this is my channel, guys. Please subscribe. And also, I have also a new video 10 hours ago, how to open Optiplex, and a lot more. I will try. One tap. Wow. 3-in-1, guys. 3-in-1, 9 inches touch screen. This is my first time. Sorry, it's Tagalog because I'm Tagalog. Because there's a lot of review like this, but it's in English. So I mix it with Tagalog. Not bad, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing and review for this Sylvania. Whoa, I'm promoting this one. 3-in-1 9 inches touchscreen that I bought last 2 days ago at Walmart. And the price of this, in case you want to buy, it's $128, I think, from now. I don't know soon, but plus tax, I don't, maybe 130, I think, plus. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you to another next video. Bye bye.